Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts. Thank you for joining me today. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assemble my sunflower pop-up box card. Now, as you can see, there's space on the back for you to write a message, and it all folds flat for easy posting. So to start with, once you've cut everything out, you need to fold all the score lines on this main piece. So these 4 are mounting folds, and these 3 are valley folds. Now this is the inside of the box card, and I've already gone ahead and glued some of the panels on. Now I've embossed these with little polka dots and lightly inked the edges with darker blue. So that's all of them glued on for the inside. Then turn it over, and so this is now the outside of the box card. And I've got a white panel for the back. So this is where you would write your message. And I've got another blue one for the side. So once all of those panels are glued on, so turn it back over, and then you need to apply some glue to this side tab. So I'm just using some wet glue here. Then fold it over like this so that it all lines up. And just check that it folds flat both ways. You're then going to need the 3 insert pieces, and then fold them up the score lines like this. Then you need to glue the first one and position it so that it touches the back of the card. So it's about 4 millimeters down from the top edge. Then fold it flat both ways and press it down. Then glue the next one and position it so that it touches the other one. Just line it up. Then fold it again. Then do the same with the last one. Now the sunflowers come in 3 different sizes, and I've chosen to cut out 3 of each side for my card. Oh, Prince is here again. Please don't eat those leaves. Come on. Okay, so first I'm going to ink the edges of the sunflowers. So I'm just using a light orange ink. Then I'm going to curl up the edges slightly using a bone folder. Best not to do this too much, otherwise the card might not fold flat enough to fit into an envelope. Then for the leaves, I'm taking my fine point tweezers and gently pressing each leaf around it, just to give it a bit more dimension. And then for the centre of the flowers, I've embossed them with small polka dots. See that there? Then this can be glued onto the flower. and the leaves can be glued onto the back. Then I'm just going to arrange them into size order. Now looking at the other one that I made, I can see that I put 2 large and 1 middle-sized flower in here. So I'm going to do the same with this one. So taking my first large one, I'm going to put this just to the side. So I'm gluing the stem to the back of the insert. Then putting the other large one at the other side. And a middle-sized one in the centre. Okay, so just checking my other one again. So this time I need 1 large and 1 middle-sized one. Then for the next row I've got 1 middle-sized one and 1 small one. And the other small one will go right at the front, just there. Now I've got these 2 leaf pieces, which you can use to just fill in any gaps, but they are optional, you don't have to put them in. Now for the front of the box card, I've added a small rectangular piece that I've stamped with these mini alphabet stamps. I think they're a typewriter font, using black ink. And this will then go onto the front panel. And I've got my last small sunflower to go on top. So I'm just going to glue all of that in place. And there they are.